Restoration Association of Wisconsin. We monitor 13 Bluebird boxes, and we've done it for many, many years. And it starts just outside the park, runs all the way up to Highway 42. Why we do this is because bluebirds were in such decline that mostly from losing their nesting spots, being taken over by sparrows, development. So over the years, since this really testimony to grassroots operations, that they have been extremely successful at helping the bluebird population rebound, and it's really just people like us, people in their own yards that are just putting out bluebird boxes and monitoring and sending the information to BRAW.
Oh, yay. There's 2 eggs in there. I'm so happy.